If you want to adjust time, date, and location of photos on iPhone 17, then first of all we're gonna go to the Photos app. Now in the library you should be able to choose the photo for which you want to adjust this information. And you can, for example, tap at the top over here if you have this information, and you should be able to find the location. You can tap on adjust in order to change to something else. So let's say I'm gonna choose a different city. Of course you can search for something more specific, of course, if you want to, but there we go. That's pretty much it. You can also tap on this location in order to immediately open it in Maps. And if you want to change the date and time, then over here we can tap on Adjust on the right side, and you can choose a different date and then also time over here and the time zone as well. So we can press Adjust in the upper right corner, and there we go. Now in some other cases you might just see the date, so of course you can tap on it as well, and if there is no location then you can just simply add a location over here and it works the same way. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.